We are all different in some way. We have different skills, perspective, and experiences. Understanding all of this is exciting, and it means we can develop ourselves and make an identity of our own. Our unique identities work together. That's what makes us all strong. I was diagnosed with cerebral palsy since birth po. Cerebral palsy is a brain disease kung saan po yung nerve ng brain na dapat nagkocontrol sa mga paa natin is hindi siya na-develop on time. So as a result po, nahihirapan po akong tumayo nang wala akong gamit na supply. Like in school, they would say, dito ka na lang para hindi ka na mahirapan. I would be excluded from groups. At first, it was very tough for me. I keep questioning myself, what's wrong with me? But in the latter stages, I was able to embrace things. Nung time po na nakapasa ako sa TASCAS for my final interview, tuwang-tuwa po yung mother ko. He is almost in tears. Napatunayan namin na kaya ko pala. Having a job and able to provide to my needs finds me purpose. If you have the purpose, you will know your path of life. It also helps me on growing professionally and being mature as a person. Marami akong bagay na nadidiscover sa sarili ko dahil sa pagtatrabaho ko. For example, makihalubilo sa mga tao, masubukan kung hanggang saan ba talaga ako physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Not only that, yung compensation na naibibigay ng pagtatrabaho ko is more than enough, not only to satisfy my needs but to also support my family.
Rally is capable. Hindi niya talaga pinakita sa amin na he's a person with disability. Why? Number one, very competitive. He makes sure na yung scores niya is always at the top. And at the same time, he always plays and mingles with everyone. Marami talaga siyang friends. One of the things that I am proud of is he never puts any excuse. Pag may pinagawa ka sa kanya, talagang gagawin niya yung best niya. We are very fortunate that people like Rally are given the same opportunity to thrive and succeed.
My goal is to lead people and to inspire people in terms of doing excellence despite of having struggles. Walang tao na makakapagsabi ng mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin. Ako kasi naniniwala ako na ang disability is a kind of perception. Kung paano mo tignan yung sarili mo, ganun mo makikita yung sarili mo sa ibang tao. Kung gusto mong mag-pursue ng mga bagay na tingin nila imposible, i-pursue mo. Pursue lang natin yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay.